Hello everyone, what is new with you? I trust you well. In the previous videos, we have learned 13 paragraphs of the lesson Attitude is Altitude. In this video, we are going to learn the rest of the paragraphs. Let me read the paragraph and that we will discuss. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old, he said. I went to my mom, crying, and told her I wanted to kill myself. I felt cold and bitter. I hated God for doing this to me, and was terrified of what would happen when my parents weren't there to look after me. I could brush my own teeth with a wall-mounted brush and wash my own hair with a pump action soap. But there was so much that was impossible for me. At age 10, Nick tried to drown himself in the bath, but luckily the attempt was unsuccessful. I felt there was no purpose when you lack a purpose and strength. It is hard to hold on, he said. But with the help of his religion, friends and family, Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Okay. Detailed explanations. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. Already we have learned Nick teased and bullied. Nick insulted, bullied means insulted. Who insulted him? His schoolmates. And he had an electric wheelchair for mobility. Mobility means movement. To move one place to another place, he had an electric wheelchair and a team of carers to help him. Carers. A person who takes care of somebody. So here, Nick was teased and bullied, but he had an electric wheelchair for mobility and also a team of carers to help him. So, with the help of carers, he achieved something. Then, he was deeply depressed when he was 8 years old, he said. So, Nick said that he was deeply depressed when he was 8 years old. At the age of 8, he was deeply depressed. What does depressed means? Become sad and without enthusiasm or hope. That means he lost all the hope. There is no purpose in his life. So, as we know about the depression lead to attempt suicide. It is quite natural only. So he was deeply depressed. And then he went to his mom and cried and told her he wanted to kill himself. So here what he told to his mother? He wanted to suicide. He don't want to live because he was depressed. And he justified that. He felt cold and bitter. What does cold and bitter? Upset. He became very unhappy or upset in his life. So he told to his mom he wanted to kill himself. And he hated God for doing this to me. and was terrified of what would happen when my parents weren't there to look after me. And also he hated God for doing this. What does this mean? Giving him birth as a person without limbs or torso. So God created him as a torso. So he hated God. And also he terrified. Terrified means very afraid. He frightened. Why did Nick terrify of? Because he thought what would happen when his parents weren't there to look after him. What does look after mean? Take care of someone or something. So once he thought, Nick thought, what would happen? His parents weren't there to take care of him. He could brush his own teeth with a wall-mounted brush and wash my own hair with a pump action soap. But there was so much that was impossible for me. A moment he thought there was so much he wanted to do that was impossible. So some example he told, he wanted to brush his own teeth with a wall-mounted brush. And also he wanted to wash his hair with the pump action soap. This all so much it is impossible for him. So he totally or deeply depressed and he tried to attempt suicide. At the age of 10, Nick tried to drown himself in the bath, but luckily the attempt was unsuccessful. So because of this depression, at the age of 10, Nick tried to attempt suicide. But luckily, fortunately, that attempt was failed or unsuccessful. And also he proved that or justified that why did he try to attempt suicide. He felt there was no purpose. When you lack of purpose and strength, it is a hard to hold on. So what does it mean? Nick felt there was no purpose when you lack of purpose and strength. In your life, there is no purpose or any aim or strength. What would happen? There is no purpose of our life. So it is hard to hold on. What does it mean? Purpose and strength. To hold purpose and strength, it was very difficult, he said. But with the help of his religion, friends and family, Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Here is one of the turning point of his life. After attempting suicide, his life totally changed with the help of his religion. Here is a religion means Christianity. He was one of the famous preacher of Bible. So with the help of his religion and his friends and his family, especially his father and mother, he managed to pull through. What does pull through means? To succeed in doing something through difficult situation. In this difficult situation, he overcome. So another word of pull through, overcome. He overcome these all the difficulties and he became international symbol of triumph. What does triumph mean? A great success or achievement or victory. So he became the international symbol of a great success or victory over adversity. What does adversity means? Difficult or unpleasant situation. So he pulled through all the difficulties and he overcome that and he became the international symbol of triumph. Next paragraph. Let me read the paragraph. When I was 13, I read a newspaper article about disabled men who had managed to achieve great things and help others, said Nick. I realized why God had made us like this, to give hope to others. It was so inspirational to me that I decided to use my life to encourage other people and give them the courage that the article had given me. I decided to be thankful for what I do have, not get angry about what I don't. I looked at myself in the mirror and said, you know what the world is right, that I have no arms or legs, but they will never take away the beauty of my eyes. I wanted to concentrate on something good that I had. The challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. They are not there to run us over, said Nick. In 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year Award for his bravery and perseverance. Look at first line. When Nick was 13, he read a newspaper article about a disabled man who had managed to achieve great things and to help others. At the age of 13, Nick read a newspaper article about another disabled man. He had managed to achieve great things and also he helped others. This newspaper articles is the turning point of Nick's life. I realized why God had made us like this, to give hope to others. Upon reading this article, Nick felt motivated. He felt inspired. Until then, he was asked God, actually complaining about God. Why? Why did God created me like torso? But after reading this article, he realized why God had made us like disabled. So here God had made us like this. What does us refer to? Another disabled man. It was so inspirational to me that I decided to use my life to encourage other people and give them the courage that the article had given me. So, these newspaper articles, how did change Nick's life? It was so inspirational. What does inspirational means? Giving somebody the desire to do something well. And he decided, he started to encourage other people. After reading newspaper articles, he decided to start encourage other people. And he decided to be thankful for what I do have, not get angry about what I don't. And then he decided to grateful, thankful or gratitude. He wanted to show his gratitude for what? What he have. He never angry, he never get angry about, or he never worried about what he don't have. Then he looked at the mirror and said, you know who is not here? People know what the world is right. The world is right according to the people. It is right. What was right? Nick has no arms or legs. But the people never take away the beauty of his eyes. So what does take away means? To make something disappear. That means the people never take away the beauty of Nick's eyes. According to them, Nick has no arms or legs. Then he wanted to concentrate on something good that I had. Then he decided he wanted to concentrate on something good he had, what he had. The challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. The challenges, what does challenges means? Difficulties, hurdles in our life. There are lot of hurdles, challenges, problems are there. These challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our convictions. So what does strengthen mean? To make something stronger, opposite weaken. So challenges or difficulties or problems strengthen to make more power or to make stronger. What do challenges strengthen? Our convictions. What does convictions means? A strong opinion or belief. So here, according to this line, what are the problems or hurdles or difficulties in our life that make stronger our belief? So what does they refer to here? They mean challenges. Challenges are not there to run us over. So we never allow our challenges run us over. In 1990, Nick won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. So what does bravery mean? The quality or state of having or showing mental or moral strength to face danger, fear or difficulty. And perseverance. What does perseverance? The quality of continuing to try to achieve a particular aim despite difficulties. So, in 1990, Nick got Australian Young Citizen of the Year award for his bravery and perseverance. This paragraph shows that Nick being optimistic, look at this word, optimistic, expecting good things to happen or something to be successful. The opposite, pessimistic, expecting bad things to happen or something not to be successful. Here, optimistic people always focused on what they had, but pessimistic people focused on what they don't have. You think, are you optimistic or pessimistic? Yes, optimistic. You should be an optimistic. I should see you soon for another video. Thank you.